Hello and welcome to Froggity Frog Crochet and this stitch guide on how to crochet the floret stitch. So this is a really quick and easy stitch that's got a very subtle, gentle, bumpy texture to it. So to start this stitch, you're going to need a foundation chain in multiples of 2 plus 1 plus 2 for your turning chain. So to start our floret stitch, we're going to be making a double crochet in the 4th chain from a hook. Before I make that stitch, I'm just going to mark the first chain from our hook because the turning chain counts as our first stitch. Okay, so 4th chain from our hook, double crochet, and then we're going to double crochet in each stitch across. So the florets is row 1 is all double crochet. So the floret stitch, it creates little bumps as we go, but they're quite gentle. They're not majorly obvious. And between every row of floret stitches, we will be having a row of double crochet stitches. So first row double crochet to start us up, and then row 2 we get to make our florets. All double crochet for row 1. So now we're going to turn and chain 1, and we're going to make a double crochet turning chain in the first stitch. And I'll just get a stitch marker in there. Okay. Then we're going to make a double crochet in the next stitch as well. And in the next stitch, we're going to slip stitch. Keep your slip stitch nice and loose because you're going to work into it in the next row. But that slip stitch pulls down this double crochet and makes it bend over. And that's what will make this gentle bump in the back. You'll begin to see it once we've done a few stitches. So the next stitch, we'll make a double crochet again, slip stitch in the next stitch. And that's the repeats across the row. After your slip stitch, you make a double crochet, and then slip stitch in the next stitch. And you continue that all the way across. If I should turn it over for a second, you can see where these double crochets are being brought down. The bumps will become more obvious after you've had the next set of stitches worked into them. Just repeat that all the way across the row. So when you get to the last 2 stitches, you double crochet in both of them. So each floret row will start with 2 double crochet and end with 2 double crochet. So if I turn over, you can see these little subtle bumps, and you get this lovely texture as well. So row 3, we're going to turn chain 1 and make a double crochet turning chain in the first stitch. So all your texture is going to be on one side for this. And row 3 is simply just double crochet in every stitch across. So that's why you need to keep your slip stitches fairly loose, because you do need to work into them. It's all too easy to make your slip stitches really tight. So just slip stitch into the top of every slip stitch. Sorry, double crochet into the top of every slip stitch and every double crochet. So this is a really lovely, simple stitch to make with just a little bit of texture to it. and then double crochet in the final stitch. And there you see. So here's your little florets. So they don't rise up very much at all. It is a very gentle texture stitch, but just creates a nice little subtle look to the fabric. So to carry on with this stitch, you're going to be repeating rows 2 and 3. And there is your stitch guide on how to crochet the floret stitch. I would love to see what you make with this stitch. Please do come and show us over in our Facebook group, Froggity, Frogs, Ribbons and Stitch. The link is beneath the video. And I would love to hear if there's any stitches that you would like to see a stitch guide for. Please let us know there too. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more stitch guides, crocheting patterns and hints and tips as well. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time for the next video. Bye for now.